watakuwa problem katika mji huu.
Aritajira imwe ya kwitana na mitino iria icungagiririo ni utwarithia muru wa bodaboda kaunti-ini ya Meru. Ruhonge rutari rwa githirikari rwa Choose Life Africa, unyitaniri na ruhonge ruria ruramataga uigiririki barabara-ini NTSA ni matafanitie mathomo kuri atwarithia bodaboda gicigo-ini gia ubunge gia Tigania ya Ithuiro. Akiaria hindi ya uheani wa mathomo maya, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NTSA kaunti-ini ya Meru Joseph Gichuhi oigite mathomo maya marongoreirie kwitana na ikuũ iria ciumanaga na mitino ya barabara iria icungagiririo ni utwarithia muru wa bodaboda.
They need to use the center of the road rather than using the side of the road. All that will contribute greatly to their road safety. Then the other issue is most of them do not have valid driving licenses. There are also some other underage riders, and we are encouraging them to make sure that they attend to driving school so that they can acquire licenses.
Mwena-ini wake County Commissioner wa Meru Wilfred Nyangwaga ni orĩtie atwarithia ya gũtuĩka mabarothi akwitana na hũthĩri wa dawa cia kũrebia, akiuga ni imwe cia maũndũ marĩa meigĩrĩirio ni atwarithia bodaboda na marĩa mũthia maracũngĩrĩria mitino ya barabara.
Hii watu mnaona hii ni mkora, we sambaza, tengeneza network yenu WhatsApp. Unasema hii mtu nilisukisha hapa lakini si mtu mzuri. So you are a good ambassador. Maneno ya nyumba 10. Kila mahali muko state kwa na nyumba 10 yenu so that we can change this area.
Ona kuhana uguo atwarithia ni mereirwo ni mekuheo marua ma utwarithia wa nduthi marikia mathomo maya.